I already got the Lamicall phone mounts actually for the car. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. First off, I really like Lamicall products. I have several of them around here to use for filming stuff, and I think they are fantastic. And let me show you what you get. Everything comes packaged up, individually wrapped inside of the box. They did a really nice job on it. It's a very simple design and device, and simple is better as far as I'm concerned. You get a dashboard mount right here. There's a little adhesive pad on here and kind of a sticky silicone. You'll pull this off, get it over top of there. I don't know if you can see this. And you press this lever back, and you can see it retract, and that suctions it onto your dash. If this is the type of phone mount that you choose to use. It also has a swing arm on here. You just undo this screw and it's adjustable. Actually, in a couple of different ways. You can adjust it however you like. This direction, unscrew this little top part, and it extends. So that's one of the mounts that you get to it. And of course, the cell phone holder itself mounts onto there. Here's the second mount you get, and this is absolutely my favorite, and this is my favorite design for all of these things. We got a nice rubber back on here. And what you have here, you unscrew this, the hook goes out, you run it through your vent on your dash, hook it behind one of them, and you screw it into place. You just tighten it up, and there are two little notches on here that go over an open vent. It's just a great design. It holds it on there really nice and really super tight. I'll show you how this works. We'll just screw this on here, and I'm going to take this out to the car and show you too. This just snaps on. Super simple. You just screw it back on. It's completely adjustable. Up, down, left, right. Plenty of room on here. This is kind of neat too. One of the cool features about this device is it has a one-touch button on here. You can see if I press this button, it locks into place. You squeeze these two guys and the arms come out. I've got the phone in my car. I'll just set it in there, press the button, and it locks it into place. How cool is that? When you get it out, you just press this and you're good to go. Okay, a couple of things here. I kind of have a textured dash right here. So this particular device probably isn't going to work so good on here just because of the texture of my dashboard. But there is a regular type style dashboard up here. And I do have the option to install this right here. Now I've got this fully extended. I'm not a person that likes to have something in my line of view. This is what I definitely am going to use. So I've already got this device attached to the mount. So I'm just going to unscrew this. Simple enough. I'm going to open my vent up, slide it in sideways, hook it on the back of the vent. I can feel it hooked on there, and I'm going to tighten it up. It's that simple. Make sure there's two slots, the slots on either side fit over top of the vent itself, and it will lock it into place. And it actually, when it locks it into place, it won't let you go any further. Now I've got all these different options right here. So this is the one for me. Press these guys right here. It opens up the jaws. When you stick your phone in here, locks it into place. It doesn't get any easier than that. And it actually looks good. Matches with the vent and everything. It's got a nice rubber back on here. This thing's pretty awesome. So if you're looking for a dash mounted phone holder for your car or a vent mounted phone holder for your car, you get 2 in 1 with this. You get both of them in this pack, which I think is pretty awesome. And it even has a little adhesive strip on the back. So if you wanted to, you could use it to store away your charging cable. Check out this one by Lamicall. Check it out.